Hello everyone, myself Dr. Taposh Kumar Pal and welcome to our channel Barnagar Physiomax Organization. In our Physiomax Organization under the part of Physioversity and in our anatomy series, today we will be learning and one important anatomy structure. That's what is the parts of a long bone, and this comes under the basic parts of anatomy. So today we learn the anatomy of a long bone. So before we start about the learning of the anatomy of a long bone, so first we need to know that how the question comes of anatomy of a long bone. A anatomy of a long bone, it can be comes as a like a separate bone of a humerus, femur or the tibia, or it comes as a generalized parts of a long bone. So today we learn about the basic generalized part of a long bone. So I am holding one bone and you can see this what is the humerus, one of the most upper limb long bone, and today we will learn about the parts of this long bone, and that is as a part of generalized long bone. Normally whenever I am holding this bone, so this bone you know that it's having a three part. One is this is the upper, this is the lower end, this is the upper end, this is the lower end, and this is the shaft. And the upper end, this is a part which is named as a epiphysis. This shaft region, what it's called as a diaphysis, and the junction between the epiphysis and the diaphysis, which is called as a metaphysis. So epiphysis, which is present in a two region of a long bone, that's one is the upper region or the upper head, and also it's present in the lower head. The diaphysis, which is present in the shaft of a long bone, and if we know that the metaphysis, which is present in between the epiphysis and diaphysis. So this is the region of the metaphysis from the upper part, and this is the region of the metaphysis from the lower part. So we are having a two epiphyseal region, so one on the up, one on the below. We are having one diaphyseal region which is in between, and we are having two metaphyseal region which is in the upper neck and the lower area. These region are as named as a parts of a long bone. A bone which is supplied mostly by artery which is named as a nutrient artery. Apart from that, there are small capillary arteries which supplies a bone, and that's what is the nutrition of a bone, and that is supplied by the epiphyseal artery for the epiphysis, and here is the metaphyseal artery for the metaphysis, and that's what is the blood supply of a long bone. So this is about the part of a long bone. Again, in a separate video we will be learning a parts of a humerus when we will be learning the parts of a different bony regions. So this is about the parts of a long bone. Once more to repeat, these two are the epiphyseal region, this is the diaphyseal region, and these are to the metaphyseal region. Okay, so this is all about a parts of a long bone. Now those who are interested in studying anatomy, we, the Physiomax Organization, initiated a educational series of anatomy and different medical conditions and different type of physiotherapeutic techniques in this channel. So interested students, those who are willing to learn anatomy from us, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and those who are new for this channel also subscribe this, and also don't forget to like this video.